Right now, I'm at the POV and I'm gonna climb the 500 steps altogether. And while descending, I'm gonna count down 500 steps. So keep up with me. Feeling a little elevated. One stop. I can't handle this. It's really hot in here. Now it's kind of 37 degrees. 37 degrees. You can look at the clouds. It's evening time. It's 6:15. Do another round. I usually complete the steps within 6 minutes. And last 2 days we hit something energetic. Sweat is sliding my body.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
One mountain. The local trek area. And this is the village area.
Every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I'm doing shit my way. Or the highway.
World famous
in the driveway.
into hot one day. It's kind of the shit.
You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want.
On the ship.
But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still
I'm with you
go.
all.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. got a mind, but even that can change. Gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up,
3.5 megawatts of power. I think which is beneficial for farm, mass consumption in this area. I heard that they're providing electricity in the daytime. Another one in the part of the city, like village. This is a huge range of mountain. It's surrounded hub of the village. Look at this scenic view of the mountain. This side. Now I'm back. Another bomb. The people are sitting on the steps. So I'm gonna stop the recording. I'll do it again. I'll climb down. I'm going here. I know this area too. I love it.